Hi everyone! Today we're making cream puffs. These little bites are light, airy, and perfect for any occasion. Imagine them on your holiday table. They'll look so elegant. But don't worry, they're easier to make than you think. Let's get started. Remember, anyone can make these. Just follow my simple steps. You can do it. We'll go through each part nice and slow. Soon, you'll be impressing everyone with these delicious cream puffs. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a few basic things for the choux pastry. Grab 1 cup of water, half a cup of unsalted butter, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 4 large eggs. For the creamy filling, you'll need 2 cups of heavy cream, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. See? Simple ingredients for an amazing dessert. Now let's make the choux pastry. Don't let the fancy name scare you. It's easier than it sounds. In a saucepan, combine water, butter, and salt. Bring this to a boil over medium heat. Once the butter is melted, reduce the heat to low. Add the flour all at once and stir vigorously. Keep stirring until the mixture forms a smooth ball and pulls away from the sides of the pan. This is important for getting that airy texture. Transfer the dough to a bowl and let it cool slightly. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Beat the eggs into the cool dough one at a time. Make sure each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. You'll know the dough is ready when it's smooth and glossy. Now transfer the dough to a piping bag fitted with a large round tip. Pipe the dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, creating small mounds. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown and puffed up. Let them cool completely before filling. To make the filling, simply whip the heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla extract together until stiff peaks form. Once the cream puffs are cool, you can fill them using a piping bag or by cutting them in half and spooning the cream inside. For a fun twist, you can even dip them in melted chocolate or sprinkle them with powdered sugar. And there you have it. Beautiful and delicious cream puffs, perfect for any occasion. Remember, you can get creative with the fillings too. Try different flavors of extract, add some fruit, or even use chocolate pudding. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your beautiful creations with me on social media.